Hi, this is a quick intro of the Commit0 ecosystem as well as the Commit0 CLI. The goal of Commit0 is to allow developers to easily encapsulate various end-to-end solutions into reusable modules. While something like Terraform is an amazing tool that allows us to declaratively create and manage our cloud infrastructure, we wanted to extend that approach into creating a tool that integrates the configuration of infrastructure, CI/CD pipelines, container orchestration, and service implementations. So we really wanted a declarative way to configure a complete solution that can be launched on any cloud provider of your choice. You can get started by getting the Commit0 executable from Brew on macOS or directly downloading it from our GitHub page. Once you have the Commit0 command available, the create command will prompt you for the cloud provider that you want to deploy to, as well as which account profiles you want to use. It simply generates Commit0 config with a list of basic modules that you'll need for the chosen cloud provider. So once you've configured your Commit0 config, you can run the generate command. This generate command will iterate through all the modules that you have declared, and for each module, if required, will prompt you for any additional parameters that it needs. Given those parameters, it'll quickly create two different outputs, one for the web application that the React application that I declared, as well as the infrastructure with the Terraform and Kubernetes configs. So to set up the infrastructure, you can simply go to the infrastructure directory that is created and run make. This will init and apply Once you have your AWS infrastructure set up, you can seamlessly deploy to it by simply pushing your code up to GitHub. You can see that in the projects, we also include modules for CI and CD. So in this case, we're using GitHub Actions. And it includes the GitHub Action workflow configurations to build this React application, as well as to upload it to S3 that we have set up through Terraform. Right now, we're also working on a user interface that runs on localhost and allows you to easily visualize your module configurations and discover other internal and public modules. Our ultimate goal is to recreate an amazing push and deploy experience that Render or Heroku provides, but with all the flexibility and control that purely open source frameworks allows.